here we are giving, there is a patient is having some sort of weakness. Okay, it worsen as the day progresses. There is drooping of eyelids, there is double vision. Basically, he has myasthenia gravis, right? And in myasthenia gravis, the pathology causes decreased calcium release, right? And which will lead to less contraction. So you can learn about myasthenia gravis in your pathology lectures. Okay, what it is exactly, what is the pathogenesis. But basically, we are talking about physiology. I teach physiology. So intrinsic property of a muscle group affected. What are the muscle groups affected? There is upper eyelid muscles are affected. There is then orbicular is ocular, oculi, not levator palpebris superioris is affected. Then all this extraocular other muscles, this superior rectus, inferior rectus, all are affected, right? Because he can't move, right? And the after the administration of adrophonium is this thing improves, his condition improves. So clearly this is a adrophonium test is then, so this is clearly diagnostic of myasthenia gravis basically. So we are asked what is the intrinsic property of muscle groups affected. What is the group of muscle? So what is the group of muscles? Skeletal muscles, right? It is not cardiac muscle, it is not smooth muscle. Basically skeletal muscle. And which type of skeletal muscle? Are it white fibers or red fibers? White fibers or red fibers? Skeletal muscle which we use too much. The eye muscle through which we see in each direction. We need extreme amount of pressure immediately, right? In very little time. So we need more amount of ATPase activity, which is there in this white muscle fiber. White muscle fibers, they get exhausted a lot quicker than red muscle. Red muscle fibers are basically, they contain more myoglobin. That's why they are red. And they contract a little bit slower pace. Red muscle fibers, tell me one voluntary muscle which is red muscle fiber in our body. One very important red muscle, which we, use it very actively, but still it's a red muscle. Not gastrocnemius. You are very close, Arjun, but not gastrocnemius. It's soleus. Soleus. Fast oxidative, so slow oxidative. You can read about differences. You can Google directly what is difference between red muscle fibers and white muscle fibers. It's very easy to understand. So basically, this is a white muscle fiber and it has high ATPase activity, clear, no doubt. High density of mitochondria seen in red muscle fibers. Okay, here we have in white muscle fibers, usually we need energy quickly. So there is only one way to get energy quickly, that is glycolysis, anaerobic glycolysis. It provides quick energy. And mitochondria is for oxidative. Okay, it takes little bit time, so it is seen. So E means red muscle, small mass for motor unit, no, again red muscle, increased amount of ATP generated per molecule, again oxidative, red muscle, and high myoglobin, again red muscle. So only option D is white muscle.
Thanks for watching. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe for more.